Welcome back, everyone. All eyes are on Tropical Depression Harvey, and with that in mind, a tropical storm watch has been issued for coastal Willacy and coastal Cameron counties. This means that tropical storm force conditions are expected, or at least possible, within the next 48 hours. We're talking about winds between 39 to 50 miles per hour, periods of heavy rain, and even the potential for some coastal flooding. Again, tropical storm watch in effect, shown in the pink. This is for coastal Willacy and coastal Cameron counties. All right, here's a satellite picture. Red L indicates tropical depression Harvey. It has emerged from the Yucatan Peninsula and now a tropical depression. We expect it to become at least a tropical storm. You notice a burst of convection or thunderstorms to the north and east of the center of circulation. And here's the official track. First of all, the numbers from the National Hurricane Center: 21.6 north, 92.6 west. Maximum winds are 35 miles per hour, and it's moving very, very slowly, only to the northwest at around 2 miles an hour. It should start to pick up speed later on. Here's the forecast track, a slight turn to the northwest. And you see how big this forecast cone becomes. That is because there's a lot of disagreement and uncertainty with the models. It could be anywhere from the middle Texas Gulf Coast or even stalling out between Corpus Christi and Houston by the end of this weekend. So we still need to be on guard and watch this system as it continues toward the northwest. There is the possibility also that it could become a minimal Category 1 hurricane. That is not out of the question. The waters are very warm in the western Gulf of Mexico, but there is the forecast track taking it to the northwest, and then perhaps somewhere between the middle Texas Gulf Coast, or could be even toward the southeast Texas Gulf Coast. In any case, we still think there's a good chance for some rain here in the valley, especially along the coastal areas for late Thursday into Friday and Saturday. And of course, that tropical storm watch is in effect for the coastal areas. If you are thinking about traveling to, let's say, San Antonio or Houston for this weekend, keep it tuned to Channel 5 News here. Things could change on a dime, especially for tomorrow, because we could be dealing with some rain, some very heavy rain, especially toward the Houston area for this weekend into the start of next week. Here are the computer models, and watch what happens as we get toward Sunday. They start to diverge and really disagree, some taking the system more to the southwest, back to the southwest, and then toward others want to take it toward the northeast. I'm going to show you again. Here are some of the models by Sunday. Some of them actually want to take it back to the west into Mexico, others actually eventually taking it toward the southeast. So again, these models could very well change. Here's the radar right now. We've been seeing some spotty showers moving in from the east, more showers just to the south into Tamaulipas. Most of these showers should start to die down for the early evening. We cannot rule out an early evening shower for tonight, otherwise just warm and muggy. Temperatures right now 100 in McAllen, 102 Rio Grande City. We're in the upper 90s in Harlingen and lower 90s in Raymondville and Port Isabel. So, evening planner forecast, temperatures in the mid-80s at 9 p.m. and the lower 80s at 11 o'clock this evening. Here's that 7-day forecast. We're going to tone down the temperatures for Friday thanks to the higher chance of rain. 95 tomorrow. We'll call for a 30% chance of rain during the day tomorrow, followed by a 50% chance of showers and thunderstorms Thursday night. We're up to a 60 to 70% chance of rain Friday into Friday night. 90 is the high temperature on Friday, 93 on Saturday. Still a good chance for some rain. Could be heavy at times thanks to Harvey. Even though we don't expect a direct hit, we are expecting some good heavy rains from Harvey for Friday and for Saturday here in the valley along the coast and even inland. Still a decent chance for some spotty showers and thunderstorms on Sunday with temperatures in the mid-90s. And then the rain chances start to dwindle for next Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. That's your first Warren 5 forecast. Now here's Carrie.